बाळांनो, वी लर्न द स्टोरी द हेअर अँड द टॉर्टॉईज यस्टरडे. आपण काल हेअर अँड द टॉर्टॉईज ही गोष्ट काल आपण वाचली आणि स्पष्टीकरणसुद्धा आपण ऐकलेलं आहे. ती गोष्ट काय आहे ते आपल्याला इयत्ता पहिलीपासूनच माहिती आहे. बट इट कम्स इन इंग्लिश फर्स्ट टाईम. ती इंग्लिशमध्ये आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा आलेली आहे आणि त्यामुळे ह्या गोष्टीचा अर्थ आपल्याला इंग्रजीमध्ये आणि प्रश्नांची उत्तरंसुद्धा इंग्रजीमध्येच लिहायची आहेत. त्यामुळे जे काही शब्दार्थ मी तुम्हाला दिलेले आहेत ते शब्दार्थ काळजीपूर्वक वाचा, साऊंड लक्षात घ्या. आतासुद्धा आपण ही गोष्ट जी आहे ही गोष्ट काळजीपूर्वक ऐकायची आहे आणि त्यानंतर आपण त्याच्यावरचे प्रश्न उत्तरं सोडवायचे आहेत. स्टार्ट. द हेअर अँड द टॉर्टॉईज. लिसन अँड रीड अलाउड. वन्स अ हेअर अँड अ टॉर्टॉईज decided to have a race. You are so slow. I am so fast. Let us run a race up to the mango tree. Who said? The tortoise said, let us run a race up to the mango tree. This is a mango tree. Ha ha ha, said the hare. The race began. He smiled, the hare smiled and said, ha ha ha. And the race began. The hare ran with long lips, long lips. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. The tortoise walked slowly. Plot, plot, plot. The hare came to a carrot patch. Patch, P-A-T-C-H, patch म्हणजे मळा. Yummy. What a lovely red carrots. The tortoise is far behind. I'll eat a few carrots, said hare. But he ate a lot of carrot. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Then the hare came to a radish patch. Shrub. What a juicy white radishes. I'll eat only a few, but he ate up quite a few. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Fresh juicy vegetables, so good to eat, said the hare. So he ate up quite a few. Munch, munch, munch. Then what happened? When the hare ate carrot, radish and vegetable. And what happened then next? The hare was now too full. Look at this. He put his hand on his stomach because his stomach is too full. The hare was now too full. He ran hoppity hop, hoppity hop, slowly and slowly. He was feeling very sleepy. He said, I'll take a little nap. What the hare says? I'll take a little nap. N-A-P, nap. He slept under a tree. He slept under a tree. He slept on and on. He slept on and on. All this while, the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. He walked on and on. When the tortoise is walking on and on, at that time, the hare slept on and on. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The hare woke up. He ran to the mango tree. The hare woke up and he ran to the mango tree. And what did the hare see? And what did the hare see? What did he see? Hare see? Ha ha ha. Now the tortoise said, ha ha ha. Looking to the hare, the tortoise laughed at him. Laugh at hare. Ha ha ha. Slow but steady, wins the race. Slow but steady wins the race. At last the tortoise said. शेवटी टॉर्टॉईज याच्याकडे बघून हसला, हेअरकडे बघून हसला. अँड व्हॉट ही सेड, स्लो बट स्टडी, स्थिर पण कंटिन्युअस प्रयत्न केल्यामुळे मी काय झालो, रेस जिंकलेलो आहे. ओके, नाव वी आर गोइंग टू द क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर्स ऑन दिस स्टोरी.